today we're actually going to create our own shadow puppet theater. Okay, so clearly what you need is a box. So we probably all have tons and tons of boxes at our house, either from click listing or from ordering. So what you want to do is take off the side flaps, just showing you what I did. And then in the back, I use those side flaps to kind of lengthen my back. So I tape them to this flap, or actually, you know what? I did not cut those off. What I did was but I pushed those through and then I put them on top of them, if that makes sense, what I just said. I fortified the box, basically, with itself. So I pushed these through and then taped them to the bottom back flaps. Okay, that might be a better way to say that. And so it creates kind of this shadowed area. So we are fighting to keep the daylight right now, so I'm gonna try to go a little quickly. And so then what I did after I did that was turn your box up, get yourself, so here's the things you need. You need a box, tape, and some tracing paper, and black paper to do your silhouettes. Now you can do your own silhouettes. I happen to have an AccuCut handy, so it's quicker to just be able to show you. But it'd be fun if you made your own. And then you can either use straws or popsicle sticks. So take a piece of tracing paper and tape it across the front of the box so that you have this flap. This is like your little flap out. And then just tape it all the way around. And mine did, this particular one was just slightly bigger than a piece of paper. I kind of wanted to keep it a piece of paper big. You might not be able to do that. So then what I did was just cut what I needed from another piece and tape it together. And that's a very delicate process. If you're little and you're doing this, hopefully your parents are helping you, but it's not that hard. It's just you gotta take your time and be careful, okay? So then that's your theater. And that's not a whole lot, but let me show you while we do have some light. You can do your little magic story times, and I'll show you what I did. I cut out a dinosaur, and this is what I'm gonna do. Just tape him right onto my popsicle stick. And there you have it. And look, yeah, you can tell your tale about your dinosaur traveling at night, possibly, with my stars. So there's that. That's how easy it is to make those. So then the other thing I was gonna let you see me doing, since I could not find another box, we kind of use boxes up around here. So I'm just going to do like little scrolly things. To represent my theater. And I'm gonna write in there puppet show. So you can decorate this however you like. And so, it's a very simple and imaginative way to have fun at home and tell your own stories and make up your own stories. This is a good way to start making up your own stories. So out here, I'm gonna leave this blank, but I'm gonna tell you what my plans are. I think it would be nice if you did like little pop-up bushes here. And so I don't have any extra with me, but then you glue them on. And this is kind of what I mean. I want you to see what I mean. So say you cut a bush out of this, and let me just do that so I can show you. And look, there you have a makeshift bush, and you can paint him if you need to, and then you just tape him down, and that's your bush. So I want to create a whole scene here in the front so that when I'm telling you my story behind here, you can imagine that with me. So guys, this is not a hard project to do, but I thought it would be a great out of the box thing to do. Enjoy making your own shadow puppet theaters. I would love it if you guys came back to tell me some stories that you made up. So again, you can find us on Facebook and on YouTube.